I'm Darren Duvall, the CEO of Driving Force Collision. Our team would like to nominate the REV integration ecosystem. We feel like it's a good product for us with making sure that we're capturing everything that needs to be done from a safety aspect on all repairs. It saves time and ultimately helps us get position statements and helps us ultimately get paid for what we're doing to repair vehicles correctly. We currently have 6 and should have 7 very soon. It speeds up the process by simply having everything at your fingertips in one place, not having to go data mine to get documentation or position statements from the OEs, and to make sure that we capture things that we may not have known as well.
Well, when you do spot welding, you have to have a clean surface where your electrodes come into contact. Any dirt or paint will cause sparks on your weld, and it creates a poor weld. So we tell our students when we teach them to grind the front side and grind the back side. But a lot of times it's hard to see the back side and make sure they're totally in alignment. What this tool does is that it does 2 operations in one, and it's going to line up perfectly on both sides. I haven't used it, I'm going to buy one. I think it's a great tool. We are migrating to glue tabs in the collision repair industry. And it is a much better way of repairing cars than the old traditional ways. Most of them have been hand tools. They finally came out with some power posts. This is a first generation type tool for a shop looking to be able to pull on a vehicle. But the beauty of it's now air activated, so it'll stay in place. The price is a great entry level price for somebody who wants to get started with this. The way it works is that you put you glue your tab on, you attach your adapter, and you pull on it. There are systems that are a lot more money, but they carry ratchets with them. Like I said, for an entry-level guy looking to get started, I think this is a great tool for him.
Good afternoon. We're here at SEMA. I feel that this product right here should be nominated. Being that one of the most important parts of a structural repair, that a technician is going to have to come back and be able to perform these different types of welds, which they are doing on a daily basis at their facilities where they work. You have the silicon bronze, you have the bonding material, you have the rivet attachments. I mean, all these have been correlated into one unit, so therefore the technician then could go through this process. And this is going to be the welds and this type of test with this rail that's going to be the prerequisite to obtain your Pro Level 3 structural technician certification. That's why that I feel that the work and the R&D that went into this product to show that our technicians that'll be trained in this tomorrow are going to be well-rounded, and we're reassuring that they're going to have a proper, safe repair.
So about 25 years ago, I came up with this tool. It's our pneumatic door skin tool, and that's where it all started. It made it more efficient to put door skins on, and you can actually put door skins on in about 5 to 10 minutes and not have to use any filler on the outside. It's been a really good tool, very easy to use. And it went from this to our belt sander. This is our belt sander to clean the E-coat when you're replacing a quarter panel.
You have to make sure the coupon is working right.
So if this was your panel and this was your E-coat, they don't want you to strip this E-coat completely off anymore. What they want to do is just strip it where you're going to do your spot weld. So you would bring the tool in like this and you would run the belt this way and then run it this way, and it's just going to clean that spot where you're going to spot weld. It's a really well tool made. It's a 0.6 horsepower. The tool's made in Taiwan. It's really good quality and makes the job more efficient. And this is the future because we don't want to take all that E-coat off. We take it off. If it's all stripped in between the 2 panels, then you got a chance for rust in there. So we don't want that. And this is the award that we were presented here at the SEMA show for that belt sander. Now our wheel lift, this here again is so a guy can do this, take these wheels off. This particular wheel I'm taking off here, that weighs probably about 120 pounds. For one guy to try to take that off, you guarantee you can hurt your back pretty easily. So on the wheel lift, these rotate. So you got your wheel up there. This bar comes, it's got a pin on here. So you just bring it down to hold the tire from falling over. You take it off, and then you just bring it back. You can turn the wheel to put it back on the truck. Now here, this attachment slides in the receiver on the rear bumper, and all the new bumpers come with a trailer hitch. So it's part of it. So now one man can take the bumper off by himself without injuring himself, and putting it back on by himself. You put all the hardware in this tray. So it's just real convenient to have everything there. And you can also, if you're not going to be using the tool, the bumper you took off, you can use it to store the bumper. You can just push it over out of the way into the corner of the shop. And everything's really heavy duty made. This will handle about 250 pounds of weight. So yeah, we make everything, and it's all started in the shop. I work at Honda World in Westminster. It's D Automotive, and I innovate all the stuff there as I'm working on the cars. And I've been doing body work for over 50 years, so this is stuff that I see we need in the industry.